Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, November 12th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. Again, a quick reminder for those of you who just watched the morning video. There will be one tomorrow, but the rest of the week there will not be, just so you know. Okay, well, we had a quiet day yesterday. The volume turned out not to end up in the top 10 lightest, but it was only 37 million as our average volume continues to plummet in SPY to yearly lows. NQ came back into balance. It's a 3-day balance coming into today. Okay? Thursday, Friday, Monday. Excuse me. Our all-time highs are in the overnights. ES is still up on the daily. One-time framing up for 4 days. Oh, let me see. No, one. Huge gap. 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So the bear's goal is to try to put the ES back to balance. How do they do that? They got to take out yesterday's low. If they do that, they start forming a balance. If not, bulls still firmly in control. We have a wide overnight POC, 19 wide in ES and in NQ right now. Righty. Also still up on the daily. Don't forget they had a gap yesterday that held. Right now they're trading towards the bottom of yesterday's range. So if they take that out, they come into balance. Now, there was nothing inside of yesterday's range in ES. So any acceptance inside of yesterday's value, you're going to get tremendous chop. Right? There was nothing to lean on. All we had is a 7-wide POC and the day's high and low. NQ ended up only with an 8-wide POC. So they too only have the day's high and low. Have a nice sell tail up there also. So inside of yesterday's range, and especially inside of value, which NQ is right now, you better expect a lot of chop. So, can you front run the overnight high in ES? Sure you can. Use M's high as your out. Can you front run the overnight low? Absolutely. You could use yesterday's low as your out. Below that, back to balance, and they're going to go get that. Right? NQ, same thing. You could front run it. Above it, I'd get out because then they're going to Pac-Man that sell tail. At the lower end, same thing. You could front run it. And then again, if they take that out, they might go and attempt to take out yesterday's low. These are all early plays. Right here where we're trading, near these wide pointer controls, no play at all. If the market isn't strong on one side or the other, bulls or bears, it should be difficult to get away from this without coming back to it. Keep that in mind. Okay? And then chart-wise, so again, the daily on ES is one-time framing up for 5 days. Very healthy. The gaps are our main focus. And for triple Qs, the daily is back in balance. I would call it a 3-day balance. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trade today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.